Hello everyone, my name is Kian James Osabel. Compassion, Care, and Communal Discernment. Introduction. Friends, in the next few minutes we will be unpack what it truly means to be compassionate beyond kindness, beyond pity, and how it's shaped. The way we treat each other or we will also talk about a quick but powerful practice called Commonwealth discernment. Why it is essential if we want to build a more compassionate community here and at PU and a more compassionate world. What is compassion? Let's start with what compassion is not. It is not just feeling sorry for someone who is hurting or feeling bad when we see nature destroyed. That as sympathy, and it is a good start, but it is not compassion. In my own word, compassion it is the active choice to carry another burden as if it were your own, and to act to is it because you recognize we all connected. Compassion and care for other and the environment. Compassion for others. When we care for people with compassion, we do not just give charity, we send dignity. It means listening fully to someone who feels unheard instead for rushing to fix their problem. It was choosing to understand someone whose life or views are different from yours instead of judging them. It means standing up for those who are compassion for the environment. Many people forget that compassion extends beyond humans or planet. Is not just a resource to use, it is a living home that sustains us all. Compassion for the earth means recognizing that when we harm nature, we harm the people who depend on it most. For communities hit hardest by floods, farmers losing their crops to the future generation